You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will distract you in the court of grade 6. You can decide at any time this week to exercise till page 69. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Having these rights in mind, let's start the court session about transitions and animations. For demonstration purposes, I opened a presentation, newshow.pptx. Today, we will discuss transitions and animations. So I will start with adding transition effects between slides. Let's display slide 1. We go to the Transitions tab. From this group, Transition to this title, you can choose any transition that you like. Let's say Crush. Okay. Now, if you want this transition to be applied not only on the first slide, you can check the timing group and apply to all. Now, to see this effect, I will start the slideshow. Here is the first slide, the second, the third, and so on. Now, as you just saw, the transition effect started when I clicked on the mouse, on mouse click, as you can see in the timing group. What if you don't want this to be on the mouse click? You want it after, let's say, 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. And let's remove the on mouse click. Okay, this is the first one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now let's say that we want to remove the transitions from our slideshow. You can go to Transitions tab. On this menu, you choose the first one, None, and that removes all transitions. Well, there's a very important note about animations and transitions. Transitions, they happen between slides, while animations, they take place on the same slide. Well, animations, we use it to make our slideshow more interesting. You can animate some of the objects or text. I want to animate the map image on slide 1. Select the image, Animations tab, and let's check those out. Entrance animations, emphasis animations, exit, more entrance effects, more emphasis effect, more exit effects, and so on. Let's say you were asked to animate this object, blinds animation, and you can't see blinds in here. So all you need to do is to check inside one of those. Let's try more entrance effects. And here is blinds. You click on it and okay. You can also click on the preview button to preview it. Do you know that we can do animations in some other way? You go to the advanced animation, add animation, and it gives you a bunch of animations in here and you can choose from. Okay, let's say fly in. You can see it now or you can preview. Okay, now I want to animate more than one thing on the same slide. So I will display slide 4. I want to animate the text. So I select it, Animations tab. Let's do bounce, for example. Okay, now I want to animate the image. I select it. I want to go to more emphasis effect and let's say spin. This looks cool. Okay. And now I want to animate the title. Which one would you like? Unfortunately, I can't hear you. Let's go to more entrance effect and take random bars. Sweethearts, you really don't have to know those by heart, but it's a good practice just to take a look at them. So if you were asked, just to know from where to get them. Now, I will do an OK, and let's see how this looks like. Preview, the text, the image, and the title. Now let's say we want to change the order for our animations. We go to the animation pane in the advanced animation group. In this animation pane, the sequence of the animation effects can be reordered. Let's say I want the picture to be the first object animated. You see this arrow? You click on it, you go up one level, again. So it becomes the first animated object. Let's preview it from here or play from. You see, this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. There is another way to change the order. Let's say I want the text box, which is this one, to be the second one. You click on it, and you see this line. You can drag and drop. So it can be displayed as the second animated object. Now, as for this image, let's set the animation to start either on mouse click or automatically. On the timing group, start. On click, which is the first option, the animation effect will start when you click the mouse. Now with previous or after previous, that means automatically. The animation will take effect with the previous effect or after the previous effect. So let's keep it on click. The duration of the animation, it means how long it's going to take, let's say 1.25. And the delay, you can change that by the arrows or by just typing the value you want. Here, if you want to play the animation after a certain number of seconds, let's say 1.75. And of course, we can remove the preset animation effects for any slide elements. Let's select the image, animations, none. It's as simple as that.